Alright, well, good thing I cook. I've taken an old pot, cooking pot, aluminum cooking pot, and I've taken the skill saw and I cut around with a skill saw very carefully, but it's aluminum, and I'm making a shield. So what I'm doing is I'm templating it off this brand new fan, and I'm just going to punch some holes because I have a hole punch, and then when this rides here, this will also spin with the fan, but it will protect the plastic bits from sticks. And I think that's far better than anything else I can think of, you know, extra guards and stuff like that. With the fan broken off, you aren't going to get any cooling, and this should give it a fighting chance. And there should be lots of room for it, as far as I can tell. Should all just work out just perfectly fine. So we'll see what happens. In the meantime, I'll make a template. Worst thing that can happen is it won't fit.